Hi everyone, welcome to Notch 8. I'm Trevor Marshall and Al Houts joins us in the studio again. Al, you've probably seen him at a train show in the Iwata booth, telling you all about airbrushing and compressors and things like that. We've had Al on the show before, of course, to do some basic airbrushing techniques. And today we're going to tackle a project that a lot of people may shy away from, which is weathering a steam locomotive, because there's some tricks about it. And I guess the first place to start is we're looking at things that were on the rails 70 years ago, right?
Yeah, and they did get a little bit differently dirty.
What sort of things would we be looking for to, like, why would a steam locomotive weather differently on one railroad as opposed to another?
Well, you've got ballast color, okay? What color is the dirt in the area? If you're modeling in South Alabama, it's going to be red. If you're modeling out in the desert, it's going to be an alkali brown, light brown sand color. Gray was a real popular. If you're weathering steam engines, you've got to have some grays in your color palette.